Mwebembezi w'ihanga kandi ukwatiritse ibintu cya National Resistance Movement bendera antebe y'ubwa president abwenjere y'umwaka w'2026 agumizamo no gushera ubushagitsi mbiceka bihanga tari bimwe na bimwe irizoba President Museveni yatandika gushera karuru umutanga icyabukedi kandogu yatandikira district ya Parisa hamwe na district ya Butebo abantu aba district ya Parisa bibembeyirwe mukuru w'entebe ya Katando aba district y'ibasi mu mwebembezi w'ihanga aba bintu ebyabakoreire umbwire ubwamazire hariyo mwebembezi w'ihanga.
And His Excellency has worked on that road. Number two, the 1.3 billion that is given to the districts per year. For the past 2 years, we have so far managed to work on 41.5 kilometers as Parisa. Number three, in this term of 2021-2026, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has managed to give us 5 city schools in Parisa as a district.
Used not to be what it is, especially with the road that is coming from Tirinyi, Parisa, Kumi. Now we have the best road in eastern Uganda. Ibapaise Polonakan.
Bigambo bye President Museveni yaraganise ko binga abakozi ba government bona abari kuremesa iminyeto hamwe n'abantu bona kuganyira umutekateka za government zentunguka zitari zimwe na zimwe ziri kuba ziteyirweho ukutungura burumya Uganda.
The PDM money. When I was in Bugisu, the youth there told me that the elders okube nkokora ababubuka ku PDM tebabakiriza kusembera PDM kitufu
era ngina beite bedanga na test lwa poloko
ensonga muno kugitereza
muringo nugogume Jeno Museveni yashaba iminyeto yona ukuza kwehana isomo za sako zona izuri kuba ziteyirweho ko babase kuganyira umutekateka za government nk'abandi.
But also you the bavubuka, you join the circles. Who has stopped you?
Esida atumunaka moriki karabate alomanasi o circles ne monoele.
You go and go to the Muruka chief of your area and say, we hear there is a circle here, we want to be members.
President Museveni yayonzera yaraganitse ko ari kuza kongera sente umubajubi abibyenyanja nuko bonjere omukugura ebyo kozesa ebiri kwetengwa ahamtindo ogwihanga hamwe n'ensi yona.
We are going to create a fund for fishermen.
Ilosi ategyari a fund lo ilosi leja katakagaria
zone by zone.
Ubziri aho President Museveni yararika abekitongore ekebyo kore nguto mu